my YouTube channel, and to all my new subscribers, welcome. I'm really happy, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. Today I'm going to share with you a few head wrap styles that I'm rocking with this wig that I got from makeupcloud. I'm going to put their link on the description box. It's a pretty big hair, but I really like it, and it feels also very light. I trimmed it at the front just so that I can be able to see. Yeah, I don't like hair on my forehead that much, but yeah, so this is how I style it. It has no parting, it's just that I did this manually, and I've been rocking some head wraps with it and also some hats that I'm going to show you. So please remember to subscribe, and at the end, if you like this video, leave me a comment, and yeah, share it. See you. So for the first look, I'm going to fold my head wrap slightly, then I'm going to tie it from the front to the back, making sure that my hair is pulled back. Then I'm just going to tie a knot and making sure that the ends are also tucked in at the back. And that's all. It's the simplest look, kind of hip hop, and it's really simple, it's really cute, it's fun, yeah, and it's very colorful. For the second look, I'm now going to tie the head wrap from the back to the front, also remembering to fold the end, and I'm going to make the knot at the front part. Then I'm going to do a little twist before I roll and tuck it away. For look number 3, I'm going to use this head wrap that I had made when I was making this dress. I'm going to fold it severally so that it's a bit thin. Then I'm going to wrap it around, leaving some hair at the front before I tuck the ends on the opposite sides. I did this look when I was showing you how to do head wraps and braids, so you can feel free to check that video out. And this is how it looks. For look number 4, I'm going to use a head wrap that's a bit longer. I also had this made when I was making this dress. I'm going to fold one end, and then I'm going to wrap it from the front to the back. Just tie a knot at the back, and because it's longer, I'm also going to take it back to the front and tie another knot before I neatly tuck in the ends. For look number 5, I am going to tie the head wrap once again from the back to the front, making sure to leave hair at the center and also at the front. And once I just tie my knot at the front, I'm going to just tuck in the ends neatly. Wow, this is just so simple, and this was very, very cute. Yeah. What do you guys think so far? Please leave me a comment below. For look number 6, it's a bow that we're going to form. So tying the head wrap from the front to the back, from the back to the front, sorry, I'm going to form a knot and making sure that one end is folded before I form that knot. Then I'm going to spread the ends and make it look like a bow. I hope you can follow. If not, you can check it out again, that part, so that you can see how we form that cute bow.
for the final look, this is for guys who do not like hair at the very front. I'm going to use my head wrap, tying it from the back to the front and leaving no hair at all at the very front section. Then I'm going to tie a knot and neaten up the head wrap before I tuck in the ends safely and neatly. That's all, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video like I enjoyed making it and having fun with these head wraps. Please leave me a comment below on what you think, what was your favorite look, and let me know more videos that you'd like to see from me. Till next time, keep safe and keep warm.